Hey guys, it's your boy Cal with another one. First, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope you guys are staying safe. I know it's not easy in this climate and with everything that's going on, but I hope you guys are staying safe. And if you could do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I promise you I won't hit you with too many videos, but please support the channel, support me. I'm just trying to help you guys out when it comes to, investing in Detroit. And, and as anybody can tell you, any of my subscribers that if anybody has a personal question they want to ask about this, hey, you could just shoot me a message on Instagram and I answer everybody. So support your boy, subscribe to the channel, leave a like. If you didn't like something about this video, don't be a hater and just dislike it and not tell me what you didn't like. I mean, come on now. Got that one person, but I still love you. You still watched it and you gave me some time and pressed that dislike button. So I love you. But also, so here, I know a lot of you guys I'm still working on this porch. The person that was going to be helping me, finish this porch kind of has been a little MIA. So, it is what it is. So me and my dad, we're kind of winging it. My dad's telling me like, hey, just have this done and that done. And then, I can come through and, so it's kind of, using some of the experience my dad has when it comes to, the masonry work. And we're just, going, figuring it out, but the good thing is I was able to put my foot on the porch and stand on it for, a quick moment. But, yeah, so just check it out. Now you probably want to be on this other side.
You're doing right.
I know it's vibration.
Well, no, don't worry about the vibration.
Come on, Dad. Come on, let me just do this how I like to do it. Come on. Sharpen the blade.
Sharpen it.
I mean,
Tighten it.
Yeah.
In preparation for the cut. He gotta be looking good when he do what he do. I know you're gonna cut that out, right?
What up?
Nothing. What I just said. You're recording. gotta get those bricks to go on top. Hey. What's going on, team? So, I started the second part of putting this porch, putting the beams in. So, last video I showed you guys me making the beam slots, cutting into the house. Now today, I've cut into the actual cinder blocks. So, that way. So now it's resting up, so we're gonna form it up so we can, and then I got a surprise for you guys. I got a new work vehicle, so that's my work vehicle right there, the little Transit. Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting the boards across. Now we got a little problem with this side here. This wall is a little bit taller, so we have to we're gonna have to cut this wall down. It's like about an inch higher. If you look at it here, it's about an inch higher. So probably won't be that bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut these slots for it so it can be done and call it a day. Finally got getting this foundation done for the porch. Show you guys what we got. Straight up custom job. So this is what the cement is going to rest on here. You know what, you right about this one part here. What? We're gonna need something for this to sit on. Is it a space right here on the cement? Yeah, it is. You want to use a 4x4? I got a 4x4 over here. We ain't worried about that right now. Well, I mean, before you want to screw something down. The only thing we gotta do is tack this down so it ain't going nowhere. Okay, I get what you're saying. Let me have them know. Guys, it's coming together. It is coming together, guys. Look at that there. Getting it ready. We're getting it ready. You know what I'm saying? It's a long time coming. So
I can't walk on it. I don't want to. I'm scared. But it's getting there. But yeah. My dad told me I can walk on it, but I don't want to. But he put these nails all the way right here. Oh boy. I'm walking on it. Oh my God. Yep. But we getting there. We getting there. Hey Dad, are we taking this one up too?
If you want to.
I was gonna leave it. I was gonna leave that down.
Okay.
All right.
Tack down.
You want to tack it down?